Thank you very much, but I'll prefer in English.
Yeah, this is your first performance at an award ceremony.
It is.
How was it and how exciting was it?
It was amazing, It was a great energy on the stage, and the dancers helped me so much, so I really enjoyed it.
Right. Your music album is also being highly appreciated, so anything on that front you would like to
Himesh's album, yes,
Right, yeah.
and our song seems to be very well received by the audience, so I'm very happy about that.
Now that you've performed here and you have done a lot of stuff, what is keeping you away from Bollywood?
I don't know, music is my passion, so I'm following this passion.
Right. Salman's birthday is also coming up. Any special plans on that front? What will you like to gift him this time around?
I don't know, all my respect and my love.
Okay. All right. Good. Salman was also here as a senior performance. He was there yesterday for the technical awards and so any tips or inputs that he shared with you as far as performance goes, because he's a pro out there.
I've said it before, when you enjoy what you do, when you just be yourself and enjoy yourself, then
But no, any special tips from Salman that you perhaps received?
this is the tip that I think we should all follow, right?
Right. What are your plans for the new year?
For the new year, I don't know, just to do more that I love.
But will you
These
be-
are my plans for the next year, actually.
Okay, but will you be in India?
Yes, I'll be here.
And any plans for December 27th?
Yeah, probably I'll celebrate.
One will, right?
We'll see. We'll see. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Excuse me? Okay, everyone, wish you a lovely, happiest new year, full of love, and wish you to have all the near ones, the loved ones near you. That's it. Okay. तेरी मेरी मेरी तेरी प्रेम कहानी है मुश्किल दो लफ्जों में बयां ना हो पाए. Thank you. Thank you, you too. Happy New Year. Bye.
Done. Come.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज की शाम स्टारडिस्ट अवार्ड्स आप यहाँ पे present हैं। सबसे पहले गेस्ट है आज
अच्छा सबसे पहले गेस्ट है
हमारे मीडिया से
Well, I'm excited because I've been nominated for the first time as an actor for Kapoor and Sons. So let's see how it goes.
कैसा रहा ये साल आपके लिए सर अगर हम देखें 2016
मेरे लिए personally, a little slow, but I'm still waiting for a good script to come my way.
आने वाले 2017 में क्या कुछ प्रोजेक्ट होने वाले हैं अगर आप बताएं
2017 is going to be wonderful. गजब का साल होने वाला है.
क्या कुछ प्रोजेक्ट हो या आज की आ रहे हैं
There's a film called Mantra which we have finished and which is ready. That should come out, and I'm going to start making my new film in 2017. So a lot of good stuff. Thank you very much. Thank you.
क्या बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे I'm very excited about the nominees. I think they are very good nominees. I was there for screen also. I think almost the same nominees, but very good. But definitely awards are always appreciating and always satisfying for your hard work, and as a producer getting a national award is such an honor, and I'm trying to do things which could satisfy me as a creative. अभी पता चलेगा, बहुत सारे नॉमिनीज हैं, अवार्ड दे लूँ फिर बता सकती हूँ। दोनों ही बहुत अच्छे हैं। आई थिंक आलिया एंड नीरजा बोथ आर वेरी गुड, सो लेट्स सी। I have no clue of this. Huh? Huh? Well, for me, the country comes first always. So anything which disturbs my country, I would not favor that. Thank you. Yes, what was your question? You want the question? मैं plays ही plays कर रही हूँ और I'm producing acting now for my next Hindi film, which is Ladakh. It's a martial arts film, which I've already told, and I'm preparing for it right now. Thank you.
Good evening, good evening. Good evening, all of you. You know, as you know, I've been nominated tonight in the role of Best Actor in a Negative Role for my role in Mohenjo-daro. I'm very glad to be nominated in this category, especially by Stardust, because I was there when Stardust was born, when Nari Hira thought of it, when a lady called Shobha Rajadhyaksha became the editor, the first editor, and she's now Shobha Day. So it's a long history I have with Stardust, and I'm very grateful to be nominated in this role, in this category of Best Actor in a Negative Role, and may the best man win. Thank you.
Okay, yeah.
आपकी फिल्म नॉमिनेटेड हुई है नीलकंठ संगाता, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप? कितनी एक्साइटेड आप आज की शाम को लेकर और आपकी फिल्म नॉमिनेटेड हुई है, व्हाट डू यू से?
सो स्वरा हैज़ बीन नॉमिनेटेड, मैं नॉमिनेट हुई हूँ, फिल्म नॉमिनेट हुई है, तो अच्छी बात है कि ऑडियंसेस को एक अच्छी फिल्म अच्छी लग रही है। टू मच ऑडियंस को एक अच्छी फिल्म अच्छी लग रही है, तो ठीक है।
संगाता बहुत ही अप्रिशिएट किए गए लोगों का बोलना था। क्या कुछ प्रोजेक्ट होंगे आपके?
मैं अभी बरेली की बर्फ़ी मैंने ख़त्म किया हुआ है, तो वो रिलीज़ होगा 21 जुलाई को टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, जंगली पिक्चर्स और BR फिल्म्स के साथ। आयुष्मान खुराना, कृति सनोन, राजकुमार है उसमें। थैंक यू।
second, I want to say something. First of all, I want to apologize to all the media people for my birthday. I think काफ़ी chaos. I want to apologize to all of you guys for my birthday. Whatever happened on the 2nd of December, I'm really sorry about that. क्योंकि कुछ भी ऐसा प्लान नहीं था और अंदर मीडिया को मैंने बहुत कोशिश की कि अंदर मीडिया जाए, लेकिन अंदर आने नहीं दिया. और मैं क्यों नहीं चाहूँगी कि मीडिया वाले अंदर ना हो. हर सेलिब्रिटी या हर आर्टिस्ट चाहता है कि उसकी फ़ोटोग्राफ पेपर पे आए. और आई एम फीलिंग वेरी बैड and I'm pretty saddened with whatever happened, and I'm apologizing with closed hands. No, but you know, many people are upset with me, I think especially the photographers. So I would like to apologize to all the photographers especially. I think they are pretty sad and upset with me. It is genuinely not my fault. First I would like to ask, have you guys forgiven me? No, I know, but I need to apologize. Yeah, I'll do that. Because sometimes, you know, misunderstandings happen, and as a human being, as a good person, I thought I should come myself and do that on my own before you guys ask for it. Yeah, thank you. Well, I'm styled by Surbhi Gupta, and as far as the evening is concerned, it's Stardust, the biggest awards of the year, and I'm looking forward to the evening. And I loved Neerja this year, so I hope Neerja wins. It's been nominated, and looking forward to Jacqueline Fernandez's performance and celebrating films tonight. Well, I'm shooting with Girish Malik at the moment. The film is called Band of Maharaja, and it's been produced by Wave Cinema, so shooting for that currently. Thank you so much.
Hi, how's everybody? My plans are, I have 2 films in the pipeline. I'm very excited about my film M Cream, which is on Netflix now. Dear Zindagi is still in the theatre. It's doing very well. So I'm loving the appreciation. People are sending in lots of good wishes and love. So I'm really excited. Actually, it's the first time I'm here at the Stardust Sansui Stardust Awards. So I'm super excited. There's so many of my friends who are nominated, so many talented people. I mean, it's anybody's guess. So I'm very excited to hear the results. Sonam is nominated, Alia is nominated. So I'm praying and wishing them all the best, and a huge congratulations to all the nominees. It's very well deserved. Thank you.
This is my segment.
What are your expectations from this award ceremony, and how many awards will you be taking back home tonight?
I have no expectations, man. I'm here to enjoy. Let's see, it's a nice place and good vibes there.
A lot of songs have been blockbusters. Almost each and every song that you sing is a blockbuster. So which has been your personal favorite this year?
This year, I think Channa Mere I really liked. This year.
दो लाइन गा सकते हैं कैमरा के लिए?
Sir, please, man. मैं नहीं देता हूँ ब्लॉकबस्टर्स, वो सब दूसरे लोगों के कॉल्स होते हैं. डायरेक्टर्स इन्वॉल्व, म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स आर इन्वॉल्व. मेरी कोई प्लानिंग नहीं है. मैं तो फ्लो में चलता हूँ. देखते हैं क्या होता है. कहाँ पे देखूँ? ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. वहाँ के लोग भी देख पाएंगे तो अच्छा ही बात है. एक्चुअली सबके लिए अच्छा है. हाँ क्रिसमस प्लान. केक खाऊंगा और कुछ मजे करूँगा. हाँ मैं मिस कर दूंगा मेरा सेगमेंट यार. प्लीज हो गया है शुरू. हाँ सलमान खान को हाँ क्या करना है हाँ हैप्पी बर्थडे सलमान सर मैंने अभी तक आपको किसने बताया ऐसा कुछ नहीं नहीं नहीं
I'm just here to have a lot of fun. This is essentially my first award function that I'm attending. I'm attending with a very dear friend of mine, Ashley Rebello, who is again nominated tonight. So I will be cheering for him and just here to experience it and enjoy it.
We also saw that Instagram post where Ashley said that perhaps you would be in double three with Salman.
Well,
what are the talks like?
I can't say much about that, but you know, if dreams come true, then maybe.
So you would like to work with them?
100%. No, actually, 1000%. Thank you.
Excited. I think this is I would say this is my first award function which I'm attending, and last year I was down with fracture, so this is my first award function, and I'm very happily dressed and well, I'm doing a South movie, a Telugu movie, and I'm doing a web series. Thank you.
क्या सवाल पूछना चाहेंगे? आज शाम को मयूर गिरोत्रा जो डिज़ाइनर है उन्होंने मुझे स्टाइल किया है. ये उनका इंस्पिरेशन है जैसे मैं आज लग रही हूँ. I think any person in the film industry is a part of any award, because when you're here, you're supporting all the people that are participating in it. You're supporting all the winners, and that's basically it. I don't have a film in Marathi right now that's coming out. No. मैं थोड़ा बहुत देख रही हूँ. मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि मेरा कोई अभी तक ऐसे ज़्यादा फेवरेट नहीं है, बट मुझे लोपा की ऑनेस्टी काफ़ी अच्छी लग रही है. शी इज़ अ लिटिल स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है लड़की. अभी मैं इतना भी क्लियरली नहीं देख रही हूँ कि मैं कोई बोलूँ कि मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये इंसान जीते. आई थिंक जो भी सबसे अच्छा करेगा वो जीतेगा. थैंक यू. I plan to be in Bombay for the New Year. I plan to enjoy my New Year with all the Mumbaikars here. I'd like to wish all the viewers a very happy New Year.
Thank you.
में खत्म कर लेते हैं. Yes.
Daisy, what are you looking forward to at this award ceremony?
I'm just. I think I'm looking for a good time, you know, entertaining myself and just enjoying the night. That's it.
Right. Salman's birthday is coming up. The entire industry is as excited. What are your plans this time around, and any surprise gifts that you're planning?
I don't think that he's a person who would, you know, like a gift or something. In my way, I donate a small amount to Being Human, and that's my way of gifting him something on his birthday.
On the professional front, what are the films lined up?
I'm shooting for Ram Ratan right now, and then next year I'm starting a new film which I'm very excited about. Yes. It's a rom-com. Yeah. No, I'm not. I'm not performing. This year I've made sure that I want to spend some time with my family, my nephews. So yeah. Of course, yes. Wishing all the viewers a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Are we done? Thanks.
अजीब सा सवाल पूछा यार, मतलब मैं आया हूँ, इसका मतलब है कि मायने रखते हैं। रिकग्निशन, आपके काम का रिकग्निशन होता है, वो आपको अच्छा लगता है और आप यू नो इट्स ऑलवेज ऑनर टू बी नॉमिनेटेड।
Simran's schedule has just gone over in the US. How was the entire experience of shooting with Kangana?
And Kangana is a fantastic artist, wonderful actor. I mean, we had a great time.
After winning multiple national awards, how has she evolved as an actress?
She is a very very fine actress. I mean, in addition to being a star, so वो क्या है, सोने पे सुहागा है कि a really wonderful actress and a very big star. And I mean, she is truly a collaborator. She collaborates really closely on the film.
Sir, one of the issues which has again cropped up on front is something that you have also been very active on. Censor board CTFC with Neelani taking a stand which is very contrary in case of Basic Rain and cutting the scenes of other deserving films. What is your take on this?
Nothing यार, ये खत्म नहीं होगा. मतलब what is the point complaining when you know nothing is going to change? That's what I'm saying. What is the point complaining when nothing is going to change? I think we have to find our way through this.
But were you also surprised when Basic Rain got passed without any cuts?
No, why should you be surprised? I mean, now it's become a joke now. If Rajkumar has said it, it must be true, no? Yes. Thank you. बोलो. I have always felt that culture should be left alone in this dispute. This is the only hope. Culture is the only hope there is for any kind of peace between the two countries. The politicians have messed it up anyway. Yeah, it's a positive step. I am hoping, and वैसे भी banning films is not going to stop people from watching them.
Very excited. It's Stardust, so I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and it's going to be super commercial and super full of masala. So very excited. Oh, actually the getup is for something I'm working on right now. In 20 days you'll have an announcement. In 20 days you'll know. Right now I can't talk about it, but it's with a very, very esteemed filmmaker, and he's made some amazing films. So I'm working on a project with him, and this is for his work. Thank you. Thank you.
Anji.
Your heart, you tell me.
I mean, the last one was Tamasha where you sung, but we've been waiting for another one. Why have you seen so much, man, this time around? I mean, you're very choosy about your projects.
Because the song has to suit me, suit my voice. It has to be the kind of song I'm comfortable with.
But is this a good trend in like music industry where we don't see legendary singers like you much on silver screen?
If melody comes back, then you'll hear me more. ये कोई शो हो रहा है, सॉन्ग हो जाए.
Ma'am, no, for the cameras, since it's a
क्या चाहिए, कौन सा गाना?
A song from Tamasha which we really love.
पल भर ठहर जाओ, दिल ही संभल जाए, कैसे तुम्हें रोका करूं, मेरी तरफ आता हर गम फिसल जाए, आँखों में तुमको भरूं, बिन बोले बातें तुमसे करूं, अगर तुम साथ हो, अगर तुम साथ हो. Thank you.
Hi. Well, I really feel whether you're nominated, not nominated doesn't really matter. The question is that the people of this country have really taken forward to the film, which is Pink. I'm really glad that the impression that that film has had, especially it's gone to the UN. The critics have loved it. The film people associated with the industry have loved it. So I don't think you need any validation for an award. I've just finished Power Play with Excel with Richa Chadda, day before yesterday. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, all right, thank you.
Hi everybody. Hi, good evening. So I'm nominated for the best debut for my film Sara Khadoos, and that's why I'm here. Yeah.
Any special performance you are looking forward to? Mr. Abhishek Bachchan is hosting and Shah Rukh Khan and lots of people.
Shah Rukh Khan. Yes.
Give no chance, would you like to dance with him?
Hell yes. Yeah. Obviously. Thank you. I'm doing films in Tamil, down south, and one in Telugu as well, which is the remake of Sara Khadoos in Telugu. So that, yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.
Kajol looking really pretty in black.
Thank you. Okay.
Kajol, what are you looking forward to this award ceremony? What is going to keep you really excited?
I don't know really what's going to keep me excited, but I'm hoping to enjoy myself for sure. And yeah, that's it.
You're also marking your return to South cinema with Dhanush in VIP 2. How excited would that be for you? Tell us something more about it.
I'm a little apprehensive, to be honest. But yes, I am very, very excited. I love the fact that I'm going back to Tamil after a very, very long time. But yeah, I'm excited about it.
How do you see Dhanush as an actor?
I think he's a very, very fine actor. I do think he's a very fine actor. I haven't seen Saundarya's work, but I think she looks, I mean, like as though she knows what she's talking about. So, and we get along very well. So things will be good. Yeah. Amazing. In today's day and time, for any film to complete 50 days, I think is a huge, huge, big deal. And I'm really, really happy about Shivai. I expected it, but yes, it feels good. Sorry, I didn't get your question. What was his reaction? Why do you ask him that? But since I'm here, of course, he's also very, very excited about it. Of course, the same reaction that I have had is the same reaction that he has had as well. So we're all really, really happy about it. I think anything where the film industry gets a break
where the film industry, where it's a positive sign, etc., is a good thing. So I'm all for the film industry.
अच्छा मैं वो वरना चिल्लाते रहेंगे वहाँ से कर लूँ
नमस्कार नमस्कार अच्छा लगता है अवार्ड मिलता है अच्छा लगता है और क्या बोलूं और क्या क्या बोल सकती हूँ विशेष इच्छा वो भी नहीं मालूम मैं कभी इच्छा करती नहीं हूँ किसी चीज़ की भगवान जो देता है उसको हम ले लेते हैं बस खुद का ऐसा ये नहीं होता कि हमको ये चाहिए ये करना चाहिए वो करना चाहिए जो आता है गाना गाते गए आज तक गा रहे हैं 72 साल हो गए गा रही हूँ और गाती रहूँगी तो मुझे नहीं लगता मैंने कुछ ये मांगा है भगवान से उसने दिया है मुझे क्योंकि वो सिंगर है वो गाना बहुत अच्छा गाती है और वो बहुत अच्छे आर्टिस्ट है और बहुत मिलनसार भी है मेरे साथ उसके कोई पहचान नहीं थी फिर भी मेरा हाथ पकड़ के मुझे अंदर लेके जाना सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ाना ऐसा कोई भी काम उसने ऐसे नहीं दिखाया कि वो बड़ी आर्टिस्ट है और मैं कौन हूँ क्या तो जो स्वभाव का अच्छा होता है वो इंसान अच्छा लगता है
आज के ज़माने में जो पुराने सॉन्ग्स है उसको रीमेक किया जा रहा है रिलीज किया जा रहा है न्यू वर्जन में done it today, तो आपका विचार क्या है इसमें?
अच्छा है, ज़माना बदल रहा है, जो ज़माना बदलता है उसके साथ चलते जाना चाहिए. झालं विचारून.
मैम बस मेरे पिक्चर्स फोटोग्राफर्स बहुत गुस्सा कर रहे हैं मुझे कि आपकी पिक्चर्स नहीं लेने दिए.
क्यों? किसने नहीं ली?
मैंने नहीं, मैं आपको यहाँ पे लेके आई.
Yes. Hi.
देखो ये साल मेरे 5 पिक्चर रिलीज़ हुए तो अवार्ड में शायद से मिल सकता है मुझे. तो एक्चुअली आई एम हियर टू सी कि कौन जीतेगा ये साल बेस्ट डेब्यू, क्योंकि मेरा फर्स्ट अवार्ड यहाँ मिला था.
Padmavati we are not doing. Padmavati we are not doing. Eros is not. हाँ जी? Yeah. How did you like it? लोगों का रिएक्शन भी बहुत अच्छा है. So अभी ट्रेलर पसंद आया है. जैसे हम उम्मीद करते हैं अगर ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा है तो उम्मीद ही वैसे ही होती है कि लोगों को पिक्चर भी पसंद आएगी. आज के शाम वही स्टारडस्ट हमेशा इज़ अ वेरी आई डन मैनी ईयर्स मैं हमेशा आती हूँ. तो यही है कि इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट अवार्ड सेरेमनी. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी ऑल आर हियर. Yeah. Maybe not this project. We're doing other projects with him. The timing we had already committed a lot other, but it's just that this project we've not done. We are doing
Any regrets about letting it go?
See, it's always a pleasure working with Sanjay sir, but sometimes it's opportunities. Let him work with others also, and I'm sure we'll work the other projects together. Yeah, thank you.
Hello.
I think एक तो ये रात बहुत ही स्टार स्टार्टेड है. I just saw few of my favorites hosting the show, like Ritesh, Abhishek, Farah. They're people I really look up to. Farah and Ritesh, of course, I have worked with, so I know them. They're just fabulous on stage. And I saw Sushant's performance and amazing. I mean, he's done such a fabulous job on stage. बहुत कम लड़के होते हैं जो stage पे perform करते हैं. I think he performed very well. And well, I'm just hoping that everybody who really deserves wins these awards, because I know for a fact that these award functions actually make actors feel validated, feel good about what they've done all throughout the year. So I think it's a great night, and I really wish all the best to all the nominees, and congratulations to everybody who's won awards tonight. I am super excited for the Queen remake. वो फिल्म मुझे खुद बहुत पसंद आई है, and yeah, I am going to be a part of its remake in the South. So yeah, very excited. Yes, I finished shooting for Bahubali 2. It is definitely going to be bigger and better for you guys. I am sure you won't be disappointed. Sorry? Plans. Well, I normally don't have anything very brilliant planned, but I would want to spend this New Year's with my family, because मैं हमेशा travel करती रहती हूँ. We anyway travel so much thanks to our job. कभी-कभी family के साथ वक्त बिताने का मौका नहीं मिलता. So this year is completely with my family. आप आज इतने डल क्यों हैं? बताइए. आपने तो बहुत अच्छी शर्ट पहनी है. Yes, it's by a amazing international designer called Mr. Langer. So yeah, Mr. Langer, yeah. Right. Well, I think at least अभी awareness है कि एक problem है बोल के there's a huge awareness. And I think it starts with having awareness. Of course, we really need to educate people a lot more. And it's a long way to go, but शुरुआत तो हुई है. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. Good to see you.
He's coming back. He's coming back.
बुलाए तो क्या करूं? हाँ, उसके आगे तो स्टारडस्ट में मुझे मेरा पहला अवार्ड मिला था. So I want to see who wins, and I hope the best newcomer wins, because it takes a lot to be an actor and it's not easy.
Are you still doing circus, or have you upgraded of the film?
Sorry? The script is, they're still writing the script, so it's too early for me to take this call, you know.
Okay, but have you signed for the film?
No, not yet. I haven't heard the film yet.
New Year plans, and Salman's birthday is coming up.
Yes.
So what are your plans like?
New Year plans, I think I'm going to have dinner with my sister, but I don't know if Salman's still celebrating his birthday. Yeah. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if he is.
On this speech, have you been approached by Farooq Kabir for a romantic film?
Yes, we're in talks with something very nice. But let's see, you know. I still haven't signed the film, so I don't know.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Sorry for leaving.
Honestly, it's my first award function that I'm attending in Bollywood. So I'm actually very nervous because I haven't been here on this platform before, but I'm very, very excited. It's something that I've grown up watching. I'm an ardent TV watcher, and normally New Year's pe chalte the ye sare shows. So I remember bringing in many New Year's, watching a lot of award functions. I feel very honored that I'm a part of it. I'm currently shooting for Atithi in London. We're done with about 80% of the shoot. And yeah, we start the next year in January. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks so much.
ऑफ कोर्स बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. इनफैक्ट डीमोनेटाइजेशन की वजह से भी आई थिंक फिल्म इज स्टिल डूइंग वेल. इट हैज़ रिकवर्ड इट्स प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट lot of people have also liked it, and there are liking, there are people who've not liked it, but I think every film has a mixed review. और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि लोगों को जो थ्रिलर है उसका जो थ्रिल पार्ट है वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. पीपल आर अप्रिशिएटिंग माई वर्क एंड फॉर मी देयर इज़ नथिंग मोर एक्साइटिंग देन दिस. एंड डेफिनेटली आगे के प्रोजेक्ट के लिए मेहनत तो करनी ही है, और सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ मोर फिल्म्स एंड डू बेटर वर्क दैट आई कैन. Well, plans he's going to make. We're just going to go and have fun. So, yeah. बहुत सारे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिले. आई थिंक सबसे ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स तो मुझे लड़कियों से मिले, विच आई वॉज वेरी सरप्राइज. आई थॉट गाइज वुड बी गोइंग गागा ओवर मी, बट आई थिंक गर्ल्स हैव बिकम लॉट ऑफ गर्ल क्रश नाउ अ डेज फॉर लॉट ऑफ गर्ल्स. सो आई थिंक दैट रियली फील्स नाइस. एंड आई थिंक आजकल जो गर्ल्स एक दूसरे को अपलिफ्ट कर रही है, इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग, बट इट्स वेरी नाइस एंड इट्स वेरी एक्सेप्टेबल. एंड आई होप लाइक दैट यू नो गर्ल्स लर्न समथिंग एंड जस्ट कीप अपलिफ्टिंग पीपल rather than pulling them down. So you just feel good when girls compliment you, you know. Hi, this is Sana Khan. I want to wish everyone a very happy new year. Thank you.
Hi, good evening everyone. Good evening. You see, what I love in award is a thrill, the excitement of new people, new talent coming out, making such a wonderful films, doing a wonderful job. When they get award, I'm reminded of my younger age, and I really come here to bless them. I enjoy them. This is more of a festival and a festivity of the film fraternity, and I really love it. There should be more award, and newcomer must win. Maximum new talent must come. You know, I have been running university, practically a college, and creating filmmakers in the films. So now I'm definitely going to produce few movies next year, and I will announce very soon. There is only two things. One is a Nayak, one is a Khalnayak. And the Nayak returns and the Khalnayak returns. And when the Nayak returns, what happens to the Khalnayak returns? When they return, they clash. And what happens, the clash, that is the future. Thank you.
Pictures. Where is that? This is right next. Actually, put it on the yellow and black markers.
Yes. My God. Namaste. How are you? Dad. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. I think let him speak about it.
I'm very proud to announce that, within a month, this year will be over, this month, in a few days. And next year, early next year, Neil loses his bachelorhood. Neil is getting married in February sometime. I'm extremely proud and very blessed, feeling very thrilled. We welcome Rukmini to our family very lovingly.
You think I am? No, not at all. I'm extremely happy. This is something I left to my parents to decide many years back. And I'm really happy that they found Rukmini. And I'm looking forward to it. It's something exciting. And yeah, I mean, I wasn't prepared for it, but it's happening. Yeah. I am doing an extremely important character. And without any speculation, I will very soon announce what character it is. Thanks.
Thank you.
How are you guys? Good?
Sorry.
Hi guys. I know ना सब शॉक हो गए कि ये मैं कहाँ से आ गई. Actually I landed yesterday और आज मैंने कॉफ़ी विद करण की भी शूटिंग की और स्टारडस्ट अवार्ड्स भी थे, so I had to come. परिणीति एक मेरे लिए सरप्राइज ट्रिब्यूट दे रही है, so I wanted to come and see that. And मैंने इंडियन रेड कार्पेट्स इतने सालों से इतने दिनों से नहीं किए. मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं बड़ी एक्साइटेड थी इंडियन कपड़े पहन के एक रेड कार्पेट में आने के लिए. पता करो, देखना. It's for me to know and you to find out. हमने ग्लोबल प्लान बनाया है, which India is a big part of that. तो आएंगे, मतलब मेरा मतलब.
We loved you in Baywatch, but we wanted to see more of it. That is the entire. That is what the people on social media are saying. So
Absolutely.
What do you have to say about it? Because we were taken aback seeing only that 1 second shot.
The film releases in May, and we are in November, December when the trailer released. So keep watching. There's a lot more coming up. Is all I'll say. Absolutely, but I think what is very important to remember about the Nirbhaya rape case is to not forget what happened and to continue the conversation which people forget about, and I think that's very important. जी हाँ, मैं 2 फिल्में करने वाली हूँ अगले साल, क्योंकि क्वांटिको सीज़न 2 और 3 के बीच में. अब वो कौन सी होंगी वो डिसाइड करने आई हूँ यहाँ पे, और जनवरी में I'll decide by January I should know. मैं काम कर रही हूँ रोज़. I'm working till the 29th. रोज़ शूटिंग. मैंने अपनी खिड़कियाँ खोली और बॉम्बे की खुशबू को अंदर लिया. सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी था. Thanks guys.
behind a host of legendary actors like Leonardo DiCaprio and Emma Watson behind. How privileged do you feel when you see these accolades coming your way?
I don't feel privileged, but I feel very proud. I feel very excited, and I'm thankful to people who have looked for me and wanted to know about me and are curious about me. I think Indian talent deserves to be on the top 10 of the list, actually, and I'm really glad that I've been able to reach that position, and I hope other actors do too.
But wouldn't you say you're having the last laugh there, given the fact that when you started out in America, life was not very easy for you there?
But when I started out in India, Bombay, life wasn't easy either. Whenever you start off anywhere, even if it was in the movie industry for me in the beginning, life is never easy. You have to work really hard to come to a position where people learn and respect you. So I'm not someone who's like, ha, abhi dekha. I don't do that. I'm just really happy.
The fact that you're the torchbearer for Indians in Hollywood abroad, because you're the one who has actually made more successful transition.
Well, I'm very proud of it. I've worked very hard for it, and I've stood my ground. मैंने अपने terms पे किया है जो किया है, मैंने कभी compromise नहीं किया. So I think I'm really happy I've achieved what I did, and I hope that there's so much talent that we have here. Other people also get that recognition and acceptance.
Do you see men making it big there because no one has ever?
Try नहीं करता कोई.
क्यों नहीं करते?
हिम्मत चाहिए.
Coffee with Karan कैसा था? Coffee with Karan
Come on guys, let me go inside. It was really nice. Coffee with Karan बहुत interesting था. अभी क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, मेरे साथ कोई कोशिश कर सकता है. Anything else? जाओ. सुमित तो एकदम चुप है, जैसे पता नहीं क्या हो गया उन्हें. बस घूरे जा रहे हैं. मुझे लगता है कि आर्ट जो है वो दुनिया भर जाना चाहिए, एंड आई थिंक आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन समवन हु बिलीव दैट, सो आई एम ग्लैड अबाउट इट. बस जाओ. थैंक यू.
No bites.
but I'm really happy. I had like a strong competition, and I feel all the nominees were amazing. They were like great actors, and I really feel happy and yeah, very excited.
Will we see Jackie Chan coming down here to promote the film?
Yes, you will see. I've stopped like celebrating stuff. Now I only work or I sleep. I become boring in life. Kriti and Sushant. It was really nice for me to be getting it from Sushant and Kriti, because Sushant was a part. He was the Dhoni in my film, and you know, he was really nice. And Kriti had won best debut 2 years back, so it was really nice to be getting awards from them.
Disha, are you doing Student of the Year Part 2? I mean, there were reports that you've been signed for the...
What's up? How are you? No, nobody approached me. I don't know how you get all these news. I wish, yeah. No. Hi, you want me to take certain... Just say Happy New Year? That's Christmas? Hi, this is Disha Padni. Hi, this is Disha Padni, and wish all the viewers a very Happy New Year. Thank you.
Hi. Very happy, and now I'm performing Every Night and Day, which we launched together with Ulia. And Aapse Mausiki has crossed 25 million hits on the first 4 videos. So I'm very, very happy, very excited, and really looking forward to perform at this award. And Jumme Ki Raat, Hookah Bar, and Every Night and Day, Aapse Mausiki. आपसे आशिकी आपसे मौसिकी every night and day just me and you तेरा प्यार 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 हुक्का बार. Thank you. Salman bhai, you're my mentor, you're my brother, you everything to me. You have done so much for me. A very, very happy birthday to you. And बस और क्या कह सकते हैं, दिल से दुआ है आपके लिए. You're the best.
Hi, thank you so much. I'm wearing Papa Don't Preach, and I'm wearing silver gown for the first time, so yeah, I love it.
Excited to be at the award ceremony. What are you looking forward to?
A lot of fun actually. I mean, award functions are actually one place where you meet almost the entire industry all together, and lots of great performances, some really deserving awards, and a fun night.
When do we see you start promoting the Ratna?
Start promoting? When it is releasing, a little before that, obviously, but yeah, I mean, it's now releasing in June, so I guess a month before that, I'm assuming.
I always keep hearing reports about you and Sushant.
I also keep hearing always what to do. But you're not bored about it, how?
Sushant is single and eligible, you're also single and eligible.
So then if anybody's single and eligible, they should be together.
Okay. But no, I mean,
And see, you're going to ask me the same questions when I'm promoting also. Very good, yeah. I've finished almost most of the talkies of the film. We're left with about 3 songs, and this was my fastest film, I think. एक schedule में 45 days में almost पूरी film खत्म करना. But it was so much fun, such great people, awesome actors, and it's a script which is very well written and something which is very different for me to do. So I totally enjoyed it.
Christmas and New Year plans?
No plans. I'm in Mumbai only for now. And mostly my plans are more last minute because I never plan well. So, well, I would just wish all the viewers a very, very happy New Year. And may your New Year be whatever you dream it to be. And wish you lots of happiness, lots of love, and lots of success.
Thank you, Kriti. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. Yes, a very, very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
Also, we met Ranbir recently.
Ranbir's here?
Yeah,
Okay.
very confused.
What's up?
What's up? You look so good.
Thank you.
Can you just Karno khatam kar rahe? You gonna come back?
I'll wait around. I'll be like backstage.
Winning your first Stardust Award, how happy is the feeling? And
I'm very happy for him.
It's great because it's really awesome. First of all, when people watch your work, and then to appreciate it is amazing because you put so much into it. So for people to recognize that, that's great, and this is amazing, and I'll be grateful forever to Stardust. It's awesome.
do you guys discuss work and
Of course, it's such a big part of our lives. So how can we not? So definitely we do that. We do that a lot.
I think it's really exciting to be here. This is the season of awards, and every award has its charm. So this is actually going to be my first Stardust Award. So I'm quite excited about it.
Ma'am, also, your iconic song Amma Amma has been remade for OK Janu. I'm sure you must be aware of it.
Yeah, I'm very keen to see what they've done with the song. I hope it's as good as the original.
Do you think iconic songs should be remade, should be done?
If it's done well, why not? But if it's not done well, then I do object. Thanks. Yeah, but not now. Maybe after 15-20 years. Yeah. Yeah, part 1 can be written now. Hopefully, yes. Yes. Wishing all the viewers a very, very happy 2017. Love you guys.
in this red carpet? I'm already here now. खबर क्या मिली, मैं शूटिंग करके आ गई हूँ.
Anushka, very good evening. We are eagerly awaiting for you to pick up the Best Actress trophy for how Hello! Anil sir, एक minute. Anil sir, what a look. Extremely sexy, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. मैं मुबारका फिल्म जो है मैं कर रहा था तो उसके लिए मैं ये लुक ट्राई कर रहा था, मैंने एक आध लुक, मगर अनीस बाजमी साहब ने ये लुक को रिजेक्ट कर दिया कि उन्होंने बोला नहीं आपको सरदारी बनना पड़ेगा, तो उस फिल्म में मैं पगड़ी पहनूंगा, तो पगड़ी के अंदर ये होगा शायद, बट अभी उगा रहा हूँ मैं बाल. Yeah, I just met him. Absolutely, it's a very, very proud moment for me. Absolutely, yeah. Couldn't have, it couldn't be better because this is second award. He's so I hope this streak continues.
Sir, मुबारक आपके बारे में कुछ बताइए. How's the shooting been going on?
शूटिंग अभी मैं 14 जैन से शूटिंग शुरू कर रहा हूँ, या मगर अर्जुन साहब की शूटिंग शुरू हो गई, अर्जुन ने काम शुरू कर दिया. बड़ी खुशी की बात है, बड़ी खुशी की बात है. The birthday is like, I for me every day is a birthday, and I just roll. I just, for me every day is a birthday, so nothing very special. Sorry? Thank you so much. Done? Sorry? Well, I want to wish all of you all a very, very happy New Year, and may 2017 be the best year for all of us and for our country, India. Jai Maharashtra, Jai India, Jai Hind.
एक्साइटेड। यहाँ के कोई बोलेगा कि आई एम नॉट एक्साइटेड एंड हाँ क्या पूछिए। शामू यस I was nominated. I'll do this and Meena, okay? All well? कोई प्रॉब्लम तो
नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं है।
जी मैम जी, आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड मैम। पहली बार टीवी पे आऊँगा। फिल्में की हैं लेकिन टीवी का एक्सपोजर और भी बड़ा होता है, सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड मैम। जी मैम जी, बिल्कुल 2017 मेरी लाइफ में एक नई चीज़ लेके आ रहा है, राइजिंग स्टार। सो बहुत सारे इंडिया के जो कंटेस्टेंट हैं वो तो राइजिंग स्टार बनेंगे, खुद मैं भी बनूंगा जी। जी हाँ, मैं पता है मुझे सबके बारे में, लेकिन आई एम एक्साइटेड अबाउट राइजिंग स्टार। थैंक यू सो मच।
Happy New Year to everyone. He's coming here, he's coming here.
धन्यवाद। इससे पहले कि आप कुछ पूछें मैं बोल ही देता हूँ आपको क्या पूछने वाले हैं। स्टारडस्ट, सनसुई, कलर्स, इन सबको मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ इस पुरस्कार के लिए। ये फिल्म हमारे लिए और हम सब के लिए, समाज के लिए, देश के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण थी। उसका विषय जो था वो बहुत ही अहम था। आज के समाज में मैंने हमेशा ऐसा माना है कि बेटियां जो हैं वो, उनका एक स्थान जो है, उनको इज़्ज़त और सम्मान मिलनी चाहिए। और इस फिल्म के द्वारा हमने जो कुछ भी कहा वो मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि कहीं ना कहीं बहुत से लोगों के मन में घर किया उन्होंने। सबसे प्रथम बात जो ये थी कि जो इसका संवाद था, नो मीन्स नो, ये संवाद जो था इसने देश को एक तरह से एक चुनौती दी, एक नया वाक्य दिया। और इस बात की मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि लोगों ने इसकी प्रशंसा की, ख़ास तौर से हमारे देश की महिलाओं को। मेरा हमेशा मानना रहा है कि देश की महिलाओं जो हैं वो 50% शक्ति है हमारे देश की। They must be given the dignity and the respect that they deserve, and I'm very happy to be associated with a cause through a film that propagates this dialogue. Thank you. हाँ जी, नया साल तो हर रोज़ होता है जी, बधाई। हाँ जी,
अमित जी, क्रिसमस में क्या प्लान होगा आपका?
क्रिसमस कौन है? आप पूछ रहे हैं? हो गया।
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you all. Bye. Best actress.